Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. So students, today we are going to start the second chapter of English reader book, and the name of the chapter is Children at Work. Children at Work is a sensible story by Geeta Wolf, which focuses on the living of slum children. Children are made to work and earn in different ways. Some of them help their family. Many run away from unhappy homes. In this story, there are two main characters. First is Velu and second is Jaya. Velu was an 11 years old boy who had run away from home. And the reason behind why Velu had run away, because his father used to beat him and his sister, and his father used to snatch every money they earned. So Velu was fed up with the day-to-day abuses and decided to run away from home. All day he walked in Kanpur and later on boarded Kanyakumari Express. He reached Chennai Central Station without a ticket. Now the question is, why he travelled without a ticket? Because he had no money. And again there is a question, why the ticket collector did not notice him? Now, because he did not come to that unreserved compartment. Velu got off the train at Chennai Central Station. His legs were unsteady, as if he was still standing in a moving train. It was because of tiredness, weakness and fear. Now what is the scene of the station? What is the scene at the station? It was a huge station. Velu saw people in rush with their suitcases. A loudspeaker was shouting with announcements. Some people were watching a big TV screen. Some were sitting on the platform. Now how Velu meets Jaya. When he was sitting on the bench on the platform, suddenly he heard a rough voice of a girl around his age. The girl was carrying a big bag. She was picking up plastic cups and putting them into the sack. Velu stared at her vacantly. Vacantly means without any interest. The girl asked his name. Velu did not want to tell her that he had run away from home. The girl told him that he won't get food, sitting there sadly. Even the girl told him that she could find him some food if he wants. Velu thought that she was his only hope, so he followed her. Now the two, means Velu and Jaya, came on the road. Velu was frightened by the heavy traffic. Smoke and dust made Velu's head spin. Head spin means giving headache. The girl helped him to cross the road. They walked along the side of the road. There were huge signboards above them, and they were all written in English, means the writing was all in English. Velu understood nothing. This showed that he did not know English. They walked through the busy streets and saw the central jail, and after that they reached an auditorium where a wedding was going on. When they reached the auditorium, there was a sign on the building where it was written Shri Raja Rajeshwari Prasanna Kalyan Mandapam. Velu looked at this huge hall and the crowds of people inside. As Velu was hungry, so he asked the girl if they means Velu and the girl, were going to eat there. But the girl led him to a garbage bin behind the hall. Now the girl picked up a squishy, squishy means crushed banana, and offered it to Velu to eat. Now from where the girl picked up that banana? The girl picked that picked up that banana from the garbage bin. Velu was shocked. He asked if they were going to eat the leftovers. The girl disagreed. She said that she only ate untouched food. So next, girl threw him a vada. Velu looked at it with distaste. However, he was too hungry to refuse any food. Velu was earlier he was hesitating. He hesitated that why he would eat that leftovers, but he was too hungry, so he did not refuse. He ate the banana as well as the vada. The girl could find only one more banana, which she ate herself. Now, the question is what actually the girl did. Means what work did she do? She picked up a couple of bottles from the heap. Means she was a rag picker. In fact, that girl Jaya was a rag picker. She said that she had to do her work. Velu panicked earlier, but he followed her because he did not have any option. They walked on for half an hour. They came to a bridge across a dirty trickle of water, and Jaya called that dirty trickle of water, she called it Buckingham Canal. Near some puddles means muddy pits. Near some puddles of water, there was a row of huts. These were the strangest huts Velu had ever seen. Actually, it was a slum house made of broken steel sheet and other useless materials like an old tire, plastic sheet and bricks. Jaya went around to one of them and dumped her sack of paper, plastic and bottles and picked up an empty one. She also handed one sack to Velu to collect rags. Since he had no other way to earn livelihood, so he decided to be a rag picker, thinking that he would do it till he finds a better job. So Velu also, because he did not have any option, so he decided to be a rag picker. Then what does this story teach you? This story teaches us to be emphatic with these children and help whatever we can. Means we should help these slum children, we should help poor and needy people, and we should do whatever we can do for these. So I hope the story is clear to you. Try to read the chapter and understand the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.